Hey friends, if you wish to fix Logitech mouse not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, most probably this issue is with the hardware itself. Check the batteries, check the wired connection, okay, check whether the switch is on or off, check whether you have that red light at the bottom, check whether the mouse is clean or not. Once all of these factors have been judged, after that you can consider updating the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager, expand the list for human interface devices. You'll find okay, better to expand mice and other pointing devices. You'll find HID compliant mouse here as well. Right click on the second one and then select update drivers. Okay, and then you can also update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and then click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.